Want to learn how to add a blog page to your ShopWired store? I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step so you can start sharing your thoughts, updates, and content with your customers in just a few minutes. Adding a blog page to ShopWired can help increase traffic to your store and provide your audience with fresh, relevant content. But here's the catch: ShopWired isn't always the most intuitive platform when it comes to blogging, so you might need a little guidance. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your ShopWired account and navigate to the admin panel. From here, you'll want to go to your Content tab. This is where all your pages and blog settings live. Now, click on the Pages section. Next thing, you'll see an option to add a new page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose a type for the new page. For the blog, you'll want to select the option for a standard page. But don't worry, you're going to turn this page into your blog later. Once you've created the page, you'll need to configure the blog settings. You'll need to find the Blog section, and this is where ShopWired gives you the option to manage your posts. It's not the most advanced blog management tool out there, but it does the job if you're just getting started. From here, you can customize your blog layout and start adding new posts. The fourth thing, which is crucial, is setting up categories. If you plan to post on a variety of topics, you'll want to organize your posts by categories. This will make it easier for visitors to navigate through your blog. Head to your blog settings again and click on Categories. Here you can add different topics like news, tips, or whatever works for your business. You can assign each new post to a category, making your content more organized. Now that your blog is set up, the next step is customizing the look of your blog page. ShopWired gives you some basic options for tweaking the design, but if you want more control over the layout or want it to fit perfectly with your brand, you may need to dive into the CSS settings. Keep in mind that the level of customization available might not match other platforms, so if you're looking for full creative freedom, this could be a limitation. The fifth thing to keep in mind is SEO. ShopWired has some basic SEO tools to help you optimize your posts, but you'll need to take advantage of these features by adding keywords, meta descriptions, and customizing URL slugs. This will ensure that your blog posts show up in search results and drive more organic traffic. Finally, once you've made all the changes and are ready to publish your blog page, double-check everything. Make sure your content is formatted nicely and all links are working. Once you're satisfied, hit publish and your blog page will be live. Now, if you're thinking about taking blogging to the next level and want more robust features, I've got something for you. While ShopWired does its job, it's not the best platform for blogging when compared to others out there. That's why I've also got some amazing alternatives to recommend, each with a free trial. These options offer more features, better customization, and a smoother overall blogging experience. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, there you have it. You've learned how to add a blog page to ShopWired, but if you're ready for something more powerful, check out our top picks for alternatives.